AI-DNN Modeling. Domain Knowledge, AI Modeling, ML, Python Library, DNN, Python Library, and Data Migration to Management Dashboard. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Explanation of the concepts, incorporating images where relevant. Domain knowledge. Definition: the specialized understanding of a specific field or industry, including its concepts, practices, processes, and terminology. Visualization. Importance in AI and data science. Guides the identification of relevant problems and features. Informs the selection of appropriate algorithms and modeling techniques. Ensures the accuracy and relevance of AI solutions. Aids in interpreting results and communicating findings effectively. AI modeling. Definition: the process of creating a mathematical representation of a real-world system using AI techniques. Key stages. 1. Problem definition and data gathering, clearly defining the problem and collecting relevant data. 2. Data pre-processing, cleaning, formatting, and preparing the data for analysis. 3. Feature engineering, selecting and creating informative features from the data. 4. Model selection and training, choosing an appropriate AI model and training it on the data. 5. Model evaluation and refinement, assessing the model's performance and iterating to improve it. 6. Model deployment, making the model available for use in real-world applications. Visualization. Machine learning, ML. Definition: a subfield of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Python libraries. Scikit-learn, a comprehensive library for traditional machine learning algorithms. TensorFlow, a powerful library for deep learning, including DNNs. PyTorch, another popular deep learning library known for its flexibility. Common types. Supervised learning, models learn from labeled examples, example classification, regression. Unsupervised learning, models find patterns in unlabeled data, example clustering, dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning, models learn through trial and error by interacting with an environment. Visualization. Different machine learning algorithms, such as decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. Deep neural networks, DNNs. Definition: a type of artificial neural network with multiple layers of interconnected neurons, capable of representing complex patterns and relationships. Python libraries. TensorFlow offers tools for building and training DNNs. Keras, a high-level API that simplifies DNN development, often used with TensorFlow as a backend. Key characteristics. Deep architecture with many hidden layers. Ability to learn nonlinear relationships. Widely used in image recognition, natural language processing, and other areas. Visualization. Deep neural network with multiple layers of neurons. Data migration to management dashboard. Definition: the process of transferring data from its original source to a management dashboard for visualization and analysis. Steps. 1. Data extraction, extracting data from various sources, example databases, files. 2. Data transformation, cleaning, formatting, and transforming the data into a suitable format. 3. Data loading, loading the prepared data into the management dashboard. Visualization. Data migration process, showing data flowing from a database to a dashboard. Thank you.